This changes everything. Forget what you thought you knew about turf renovation. Now, step up to power. Step up to innovation. Step up to a revolution in turf care. Introducing the Lawnaire ZTS stand-on aerator. A radically different approach to aeration. Built with Ryan's legendary durability, a heavy-duty steel frame, a powerful Kawasaki engine, innovative Tine depth control, and the ability to cover 2¼ acres an hour at speeds up to 7 miles per hour. You'll never look at aeration the same again. Intuitive, user-friendly controls, a shock-absorbing operator platform, and fast hydraulic tine lift give you nimble zero-turn maneuverability, while a low center of gravity grips the terrain. Easy to load, unload, and transport. The Lawnaire ZTS stand-on aerator will make your work easier and get your jobs done faster. And you know what more jobs done faster means. That's right, more profits. Hassle-free access panels and an innovative new automatic chain tensioning system will slash your downtime and ratchet up your productivity. It's our mission to make your job easier and your wallet thicker. So step up to fast, step up to durable, step up to the future of aeration. The Lawnaire ZTS. Trust Ryan for the toughest, most reliable turf renovation equipment on the market. For more information, see your nearest Ryan dealer or visit ryanturf.com today.